is Sunday and I'm currently at the nail salon. I have 6 clients, an 8-hour shift again, from 10 to 6. But it's another long video, yay! So I had some time early this morning, so I brought some cup noodle and I added some hot chili oil. My mom had some boiled eggs in the fridge, so I'm eating that this morning. And I probably shouldn't be eating this because I know I have like with spicy food I have like this weird gas issue. But this morning I feel like my allergies are acting up and I really just needed some like ramen or like soup, something similar. A little bit of egg yolk. I think I could eat ramen every single day. So good. Hot. Macart sent me some products and I want to show you guys how to use it, but this is like the worst color palette. What a weirdo. You have the smoothest forehead. Alright, so my first client was a lash client. She did like a little lash fill. And now I am going to do a gel X set. I think she wants to do like a green, light green cat eye with some leaves and flowers and spring. So yeah. And then my 3:30 canceled. I feel like today should be shorter. Who knows? They're little tiny shorties.
It took me like a couple weeks to find that other job, but then I got hired and I got like my first paycheck and I'm like, I really cannot afford to do anything with this, so. Me a text, you said you were...
I'm using my cute light from Beatles. Because her nails are short, you don't have to put too much glue.
The girl at London, she was like, you got a green goddess salad and you're in all green. I'm like, yeah, I'm getting my nails done. She's like, you doing green? I've been looking at, so first I saw these.
Oh, so cute.
Okay, I was like, do you hate them? Don't hate them.
No.
Okay, but then I'm like, it's just a little boring for me, or maybe I just hate that one so much. Am I being weird? So then I saw, you know I am.
Just a random apple.
Yeah, and then so I was like, okay.
Oh, that's so cute, audience.
A little bit more.
Beautiful. But I mean, they last a lot better than other ones.
Mm-hmm. Well, and when they are falling out, it's just a little more natural than like when the bigger ones fall out. You can really tell that the face is
These are so cute. A lot of people like these.
I love these. That was the reason I didn't want to come. That's the reason I was putting off messaging you or setting up anything. I love them so much. How long do you think the filling on that?
For your lashes?
Hour?
Hour and a half.
Okay.
Not 2 hours.
Okay. The reason I asked is because I was trying to plan like getting a pedicure right after. So if we can.
What time do you have to be done by? Or what time would you like to be done by?
If I do
with
it
everything.
I'm off tomorrow.
You're off tomorrow.
So the earliest pedicure is at 10. So we can just plan it to do it before that and then.
Yeah. We can do that.
Yeah. Then I'll just get a pedicure
and then
be done.
Yeah. On to your life.
Yeah.
On to the life.
I'll just be cleaning tomorrow.
8 o'clock sounds good? Yeah, we do it. I told you last time it will always be 65. Camper routine. Did your husband say anything about it this time?
He liked them.
He did? Okay, good.
Yeah, and I don't have to add any more stuff to my eyes. And he goes, yeah, the less the better. I love that. He really does. He does not like more stuff. He just does not like me in makeup. Like, he thinks it takes away from people. Even, like, actresses he finds, like, attractive. He's like, when they do too much makeup or when they change their face, that look, you know the look everybody's got now.
He must really love this whole natural makeup Pamela Anderson thing that she's recently been doing. Because she did not wear any makeup at all.
Well, and his problem with her, he's like, well, she was so overdone. Well, she wasn't really overdone, but it's the 90s, like, over eye makeup, over eye line, and over lip line, That's the, like, look everybody's used to. So now he's like, Jesus, she looks old. And I'm like, well, see, that's the difference. Like, you get either what a woman looks like, or you get them 15 seconds. Things where I'm not doing a full lip and no makeup. I'm doing different color turn out to not look like washed out.
Yeah.
Right. So that's what I was trying to do today, and then I put chapstick on, and now we're fading.
Now we're here.
Yeah.
I had some time on Saturdays to bedazzle my stuff.
I wanted to start doing. I need to add things into my life.
Your partner first. Who do you choose? I see no ear gauges, so like and queen. That's fun.
I wouldn't even think about it. I would literally I would go, you. Wouldn't even. Good luck.
Good luck.
Because then you think about it too much and you go, you're going to be able to do it or not. Other thing with stuff. We said everything. I'm so excited.
Me too.
On the last one, the swirl, I was like, that's just too much to ask a person. Honestly, that looks crazy.
It looks so much better.
You look so much better. I'm like, yeah, alive and awake. Thank you.
I'm like, are you trying to say that I usually look a mess?
That's what but she did not. She can't. She's just older and like very deliberate. She doesn't take anything any other way than exactly what she said. So.
She said, oh my God, you look so much better. I don't know why that's so funny to me.
I was like, bitch. No, you don't say that to people. That's like when someone like, oh, you look tired. Don't say that.
No, I know exactly what you went through because when I cut my hair, everybody, oh my God, you look so much better. I said, oh, I'm gonna grow my hair out now just so y'all could piss off.
One month here. This goes back to the associated neurologic side effects, including weakness causing but live without a history of use. Don't just that.
Commercial, but I don't like Panda Express.
You know like Panda Express?
No, everything tastes like too much sugar.
What do you think of them?
They're
We fired the king and crowned you. Reinvesting one.
I have a lot to say. No, everybody's.
How do I look?
Beautiful, stunning. So,
Oh my gosh.
I'm thinking neutral tones as your base, and then at the tip will be black ombre, and on top we're gonna do something similar to how I have flowers here.
Okay.
We're gonna do like flowers on top.
Yeah, I'm with it. That sounds great.
Yeah.
That one's a little wild, so just be careful.
Does it hurt?
No, I know it was breaking and stuff, so I'm just pre-warning you that it looks crazy.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't even know what happened there. Is it broken?
No, it's still
Oh!
Did it hurt?
No.
It's a gel.
Oh, thank goodness. I thought it was my nail. I was like, no!
Well, I was very confident it was just a gel. That's why I ripped it off like that.
Thank you. You're like, is it hurting? And it's like halfway gone.
Is it hurting?
Here. Yep.
Is it hurting? Just gonna rip your nails off.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Yeah, I think you're just a little overdue.
Honestly, yeah. I'm trying to... I mean, the first time you did my nails, I waited.
You underestimated how long your nails would be.
Oh my god.
These are her natural nails. Look at that. Beautiful. Not even damaged. Just a little bit of cracks in the corner. But she's cutting it all down, so it's fine.
More Spanish than me, it's destined. It's allowed.
Yeah, I'll probably do like a beginner's kind of course, and then I would do like an intermediate kind of course where you do like this, airbrushing, and certain designs.
You know what's crazy?
Hmm?
You did this.
So today, we're aiming for dark romantic vibes. So beautiful, so beautiful. And it's
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What?
You need a fill.
Where?
Look. Actually ended. I did 5 clients. I had 1 client cancel. And yeah, it was just a chill day. Very creative clients. And my lash sets were 18. So I hope the videos helped you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Subscribe and follow.